Hey, good morning. Carla Ham here with Lotus Premier Luxury Team and eXp Realty. You know, a lot of people have asked me recently why I made the switch from Keller Williams to eXp. First, I'll explain. When you're a real estate agent, you are in business for yourself. You're an entrepreneur and you do not get paid a salary. You only get paid at the closing table. And I say that to let you know that eXp offers awesome ways to sell your home. First of all, I'm a certified express offer agent, so I can get your home sold with no showings, no open houses, and no stress. Also, I can list your home in the traditional manner and limit those showings to specific days so that you don't have a lot of stress when I get your home sold, usually for above list price. So give me a call, Carla Ham, Lotus Premier and Luxury Team, merging how you want to live with where you want to live. 404-944-3891.